Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the green to purple filter on TikTok. Really simple and easy to get. If you're unaware of what that looks like and what it does, it just looks like this. And basically what it does is just change anything green to purple. It's really, really cool. So all you have to do to get this filter on your TikTok account is just exit out and go into TikTok. Once you're on TikTok, you want to click on the Discover tab at the bottom and just go to the top search bar and just search for green to purple. And the motive is here is just to find someone using that filter in their video. So if you scroll down, just wait until you find someone using it, like this girl right here. You want to click on that. And above the username on the account, it just says green to purple. You want to click on that. And then once you're on here, you want to click on add to favorites. And now whenever you go make a new video in your favorite filters, you will find this one. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this tutorial. If it was helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.